The surfacing industry has a number of challenges. We've got the decarbonisation challenge. We've known historically that methods that we do are challenging from a carbon perspective. We have to couple that with the challenges of the infrastructure being in the condition it's in and trying to manage the expectation of national highways and their ultimate customer, which is the road user. We understand why carbon is important. In the last 2 decades, we have reduced our carbon emissions by 50%, but our goal is to get to net zero. The A414 project is probably one of the most innovative projects that gave us a great opportunity to showcase some of our products that we are currently working on. One of the innovations we did in terms of methodology was to make sure that 100% of the material that we took off the A414 was recycled. The other innovation was bringing in a shuttle buggy to work with the paving machine to make sure that we laid the smoothest mat we could possibly lay. Better ride quality on roads leads to less emissions for the vehicles. This is going to be a showcase for our new innovation in terms of product development. We want to be getting test data from this scheme that we can then roll out for national highways.
At national highways, reducing carbon emissions is our key priority. Net zero mission for national highways is in 3 key stages. These 3 stages gives us the long-term ambition for each decade, and national highways will be working closely with the supply chain and the industry to deliver these targets. A414 project is clearly contributing towards stage 2, which is achieving net zero for our construction and maintenance activities by 2040. We are excited about the results and what they might mean for the future standards and specification. If we are getting a very good performance data out of these products, this can be rolled out across the network and eventually means these products can be helping us to achieve the net zero targets.
The A414 contract gave us the ability to supply a number of innovative products, one of which was ERA low-carbon warm mix asphalt. That gave us the opportunity to save 2.2 kilograms of carbon per tonne of asphalt. That was the equivalent of driving 51,000 miles or twice around the world. Another one of the products that we trialled was the use of waste plastics in asphalt. By chemically converting that plastic back into a more usable component as a wax, you almost have a double benefit that the circular economy is impacted by the fact that we're using the waste recycled plastic and it's being converted. The second benefit of that is the fact that we can actually produce warm mix asphalt with the waste plastic. Another one of the products that we trialled was using Shell's age-safe bitumen, which actually reduces the uptake of oxygen. And as we know, one of the biggest damaging effects that we have on asphalt is the rate of oxidation. So that's a real significant game changer going forward for the asphalt industry. Further innovation on the A414 involve concrete roads. The challenge with concrete roads is they have a particular tendency to crack. With the solution of using a SAMI layer, SAMI is a stress-absorbing membrane interlayer. So the SAMI serves to reduce and mitigate the potential for reflective cracking. We are constantly looking to innovate our products to move forward and keep moving forward. We have to decarbonise, we have to innovate. It's an absolute must.